Rhythm, Sun, and Vibes was used, my all-purpose blend, to make these beef short ribs with some creamy mashed sweet potato, asparagus, and some carrots with some broccoli. What are you waiting on? Rhythm, Sun, and Vibes all-purpose blend can be used on chicken, vegetables, beef, whatever meat or protein you choose. And right now there's a sale going on. Yes, for all persons residing in the USA, if you order 2 blends, you get 1 free. Shipping is already included for $19.99. You can't beat that. No salt, no MSG. This is my first time I'm about to make some beef short ribs. Run on over and support your girl. So I cleaned my short ribs, removed any excess fat, washed with lemon juice and vinegar. I used to season all-purpose blend Rhythm, Sun, and Vibes from Shelley's J.A. Beacle, a little pink Himalayan salt, and a little Maggi bouillon and black pepper. That is all I needed, right? Once I had this season, I did it overnight. Then I added a little tablespoon of olive oil, and I will be searing this on both sides, on the little corners, to get some color on this. Right? Check out Rhythm, Sun, and Vibes, my all-purpose customized blend. No salt, no MSG. And all I used on this was Shelley's J.A. Beacle Rhythm, Sun, and Vibes, a little pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and some Maggi bouillon. Once this was seared on the side, I started to put together my aromatics. Bay leaf, onions, bell pepper, a little tomato paste. I use bay leaf, carrots, lots of garlic, some pimento seeds, scallion, garlic. In our Jamaican community, we don't normally use celery, but the American style way, you add celery. Added a little red wine to this, and once my aromatics started to cook, then I got my slow cooker. Listen, this took approximately 3 full hours to be. 3 full hours to cook in my slow cooker. Added me a little soy sauce in this, and I used some beef broth that is unsalted. I covered and I did use a little ginger because that's my business and it's aromatics for me. I also used some rosemary. Added in a little browning to add a little color to this, and then I covered, and listen, this took 3 full hours. I timed myself, 3 full hours to cook. While on the side, I made some creamy mashed potatoes, and listen, this was well done. It was well done. The meat was melting in my mouth, right? And the gravy was the right texture. It was the right taste. Look at my meat. Never done beef short ribs before this way, but I experimented the American style way. The only difference is the ginger and some of the aromatics that I intended or I used in this. And don't forget my Rhythm, Sun, and Vibes all-purpose blend. Now there is dinner, some asparagus. I did some broccolini, creamy mashed potatoes, and some carrots. And this was dinner. Yes, look at the ribs. This is 5-star style cooking. And guys, yes, I'm promoting my blends. Don't forget to run on over, support your girl. Right now, my Black Friday sale has started, or let me call it holiday sale has started. Buy 2 items, you get the 3rd one free, only in the US only, because shipping is a little cheaper than to send it outside of the States. So support your girl. I'll also be doing some hand delivery depending on where you are. Bye.